India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Yes, as per the guidelines from the DGCA, mask is compulsory now for all the passengers and persons who are working. Already measures are in place like automatic hand sanitizers, thermal screeners, and the announcements regarding the maintenance of protocols, COVID protocols, are being done regularly. And we are doing the display also on FIDA, our screens. All these guidelines are being displayed for the information of the passengers and others.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So now basically it is a message for everybody compulsory.
Yes, they have to compulsorily they have to wear the mask.
Okay, sir.
It's for the benefit of everyone and as well as the person traveling themselves.
Yes.